Hey guys, welcome back. We went over this before, and it was something that a lot of people liked. So we're going to do it again. We're doing a little bit of an update, though. I have talked with many of our viewers that have been using this service. I don't know if it's legal, if it's not, what have you. So it's honestly up to you to decide what is and what isn't on it. I have to say that I did have an account, or I actually still do have an account with them, and it's still going strong. And it's been a couple of years. Now, I do have a lot of viewers that are still on this and swear by it. So let's just go ahead and I'll take you over there and we'll go through it again real quick. And you can decide for yourself how well that may work for you or won't. Um, but everybody needs a little bit of a price break here and there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick and we'll come back on the flip side. Okay, everybody, here we go. We're on GamsGo right now. You probably remember this, but let's go ahead and go over it real quick, just so we can kind of, show you what it is. Now, here they have it'll have all the different ones there. You'll have SVOD, music, AI. This is ChatGPT, Gemini, all of these at discounted rates. Like I said, this is up to you. I don't know if it's from what I can see, it is not illegal, but I'm not a lawyer either. So, anyways, they have softwares, they have new, which has updated stuff. Marketplace, they have top up on games and then games themselves. And they do have lots of stuff here, guys. Um, Real quick, let's go ahead and go over this what they got here. Why more and more people are using GamsGo. And I can attest to this, by the way, real time delivery. So when you pay, it doesn't take long, so you can get on there. Quick reset passkey. That right there is a really nice feature. They also have the SSL certificate, which is great because it encrypts. 24/7 live support. I have to say I have used that a couple of times, but it was on my end that I had a problem with. It was about an HB something max because you can't really say them. Also, you have affordable premiums. Get premium subscription, a lower price, refund guaranteed. These guys stand behind this, so make sure you read that refund policy and make sure you take from there. Now, using the link in my description, you can get here, and I'll you get discounts or something like that. So when you do, you can go coupons down here, and then you'll get all subscriptions 18% off, and AI for 10% off. So you can collect that way if you're going to do something. Like I said, they have a lot of stuff on here, guys. So I'm going to go over it real quick, but you can kind of, as I go down, you can read them. If you have to pause it to read more, that's cool. So there's that one. You got top up. Then you have marketplace here. The big N. You can wonder why these things are misspelt. It is on purpose. Anyways, so some of them give them a little bit of a problem. But as you can see, they have lots of stuff here that it just they got so much now, and before it was only like maybe 5 or 6 different apps that you could get discounts like this on. So, oh, did I see even more? No. Okay. Okay. So let's go back up, and they have new. So what's coming up new out there? Software wise, they kind of have 'em view all. So that kind of gives you AI. Yeah, it view all. This is really good here if you are into this. Uh, they they just really work well. But this way you get the premium. Um, services for, like I said, 367 a month for Gemini when on the online it's like 19. So and like I said, they don't get in, they're not watching what you do or anything like that. It's doesn't work that way. It's your account. You get in it, you respect it, and don't try to get into anybody else's if you're on a fellowship type setup. Okay, anyway, so you got all those. You have Muzak, Spotify, SVOD. This gives you the those. I like I said, I hesitate to say what it is. So then you can go to all and just kind of go down, and there you go, guys. See, they have a lot more than when you press on all in different places. So make sure you look at that. Make sure you just kind of go through, and if there's something that you're looking to do, this is a great way to check it out. See if it works for you. Cheap too. So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get back out of this, and you see what it is. And like I said, you got home. You can become a seller. You have your own account. They've been doing this for 7 years now, and it was almost 2 years ago where or actually, it's more than 2 years now that we brought this to you. So this is just something you might want to look at, see what you got. Like I said, they've been doing it for 7 years now, and I can attest they have because we checked that out before. They do have a nice chat area. But anyways, guys, okay, let's go ahead and go out and I'll talk a little bit more about it. Okay, guys, what you think? Is it something you might want to try? I got a link in descriptions for it all, so don't worry about that. Go over there, take a look at it. If it's something you want to try, give it a shot. You don't have to pay for a year. You don't have to pay for 2 years. To try it out. Always buy the lowest one if possible. If you want to save a little money, I think you have, you know, longer term benefits. But anyways, they've been up and running for quite some time, and they have added so much in there to it. It's amazing. Yeah, so if you're into any of these services, why not pay a little bit less? They're not getting in, they're not seeing what you're doing or anything like that. Be honest with you, I'm gonna go ahead and go with a couple of them, just for that, for saving more money. So, anyways, guys, hey, I appreciate you being here, and please put in comments what your thoughts are if you have used it. If there's something we should watch out for. Like I said, we get a lot of input from viewers that firsthand knowledge is fantastic. But don't say you heard it from your brother, sisters, guys, boyfriend, that kind of thing. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Like I said, I have all the links in the description for you. Hey, and remember we're doing that giveaway. So, hey guys, remember to get over and enter this giveaway right here. It's free, and it's a $329 deal that you get delivered for free. Give it a shot. See what you think. The other video ain't bad either. So.